Welcome back, dear student. Today we'll see the construction of triangles. The question is, construct an equilateral angle on the given line 4 cm long. So for this, what you have to do? Draw a line BC. Okay. The measurement is given 4 cm. See, as I told you, I will not take 4 cm here, but you have to take 4 cm only, because to see you clearly, so I am making the big lines. Okay children, but you have to take only 4 cm. So I have drawn here 4 cm line. As I told previous video, immediately you should measure the name the figures. Okay, so this is my 4 cm line. Okay, then I'll give the name for it BC. And equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. So what I will do, I'll take it 4 cm. What is this? 4 cm. Okay, I'll keep the point on this C and I'll mark it here. You can see it very well. Okay, then I will take it on B point and I'll mark it here. See, it is not coming properly. So again I am going on point C and C. So point A we got. So I am writing here figure A. And I am joining the line AB. Look at here. And line AC. So this is our construction is over. The triangle name is equilateral triangle. Okay. So now we'll move for the next question. So the next question is, to construct an equilateral triangle of given altitude, height or height. Construct an equilateral triangle with the altitude is 4 cm. So here what you have to do, here again they told 4 cm. I am also taking 4 cm, but it should be, I am making little bigger so you can understand. But you have to take 4 cm only. Again and again I am telling you, only to understand you I am making a long distance. So whenever you take the 4 cm distance, take it more than 4 cm distance. So see here, I have drawn 4 cm distance. Now what is our next step is, look at here, mark it 4 cm. See, I am marking here. Suppose this is a 4 centimeter. This line we have taken already more than 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter comes here and here. Okay children. Then what is our next step? In the previous diagram we have learned how to draw the parallel line. See, the next step, take any sufficient distance, put the point on A. I am marking here A and here I am marking B. So first my work is, I am taking any sufficient distance and putting on the point A and making a arc on both the sides, up and down. Okay children. Then what is our next step? We got these 2 points. These are the 2 points, 1 and 2. So considering these 2 points, we will draw again arc. See here, any distance you can take it in a compass. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now again we got these 2 points. From these 2 points total, now see 1, 2 and 3 points together in a line, and we have to draw a line. Okay. Same way from the P point we have to do it. Again I am showing you here down. Look at here, from the P point take a sufficient distance. Here also make arc, and here also. Then take again sufficient distance in your compass. Which these 2 points we got, we put it here one compass point and make it here arc. Here also arc. I am making it dark because you should understand, but you have to make always construction should be light. Okay, so this arc I have done here. Again I got these points 1, 2 and 3. So this in a line 3 points are there that we have to join it, and we got here line. So this way this MN, you can see here MN, this one line, and RS, these 2 parallel lines we got. Now what is our next step, children? From the point A you have to take convenient radius. How much you want, that much radius you take it. Okay, see I have taken this much. It is not particular measurement at all, only measurement is given here, that is 4 centimeter height. Okay, then see I am taking a sufficient distance. How much I want? From point A I did the semicircle. See I am doing the semicircle. I am making dark, so you should understand, but you have to do it very lightly. Again I am telling you, children. Now what is our next step? Our next step is, without changing this distance. So dear student, whatever radius we have taken, the same radius without changing this radius, which these 2 points we got, that is E and F, if we give the name E and F. What I will do, from the E point I will mark the arc on this. Okay, and the same way I will mark from the F on this semicircle which I have done. So do you understand, children? So because of that, 2 more points we got, that is suppose L and K, and from this point, from A to this L, we have to draw the line. Look at here. Okay, so because of this we got this line AP, and here now from same point, this point and this point, we will join it. We got AC. So this way our triangle ABC is completed. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.